That's our driveway. I'm not sure if you can see, but one of the things I've been doing the last couple weeks is I trimmed that tree down, and then there's another tree on the side of the garage, that one there. I've trimmed it all up, trimmed all the low ones. That one low branch right there, Gina, when you get out here next time, you can look at it with me, and that one branch right I'm trying to show you. Right there. That one. I'm not sure. That one may have to come off. It's kind of low, but let's see. So I've been cleaning those trees up. And then I've been cleaning the other trees down the line. So the ones that lie on the ground. Trim those all up so those will look good when the leaves start coming on.